This right here is a Palawan delicacy. It's a woodworm. It's called tamilok.
No, it's a sheepworm.
It's called tamilok. You see, it's from mangroves. And Kuya Daves, our president from Pasirutmos, will have
also
Clara the Mongolita
will have a 3-inch worm inside
It's a sheepworm.
his mouth. Okay? Kuya Daves, this is, yes.
Dapat kinakain mo parang spaghetti. Parang spaghetti. Parang spaghetti?
Sabi mo una si Kuya Daves.
Ito po ang sausawan. Magpapalakas ng loob ni Kuya Daves.
Huy! Sabi mo hahatiin mo.
Kay Kuya Daves, ito yung sa'yo, nandito. Susuko lang.
Go press! Go press!
Take a closer look.
Yeah!
Delisi. Wala pa. Amen. Amen?
Buwain ba?
Okay lang. Oh, sige. Appreciate. You must appreciate.
Love, respect. Nalukin mo na ko lang, babe. No drinks, ah? No drinks at all. What can you say? What can you say? How is it?
Tama lang,
How
sarap.
is it?
Delicious.
Good.
Malapit na si Clara na
Kevin, extravagant.
Extravagant, awesome.
Magical.
Magical.
Clara. Part 2 pala. Okay, stop na video.